Okay, Amit, brief yourself.
Sir, myself Amit Charan. I am from Khedi Jalab, a village in Hisar district of Haryana. I did my schooling from Hisar district and my graduation from IIT BHU. I have hobbies like outdoor games like football, kho and indoor games as well, the e-games, and I like reading books.
Which type of books you read?
Fiction, non-fiction, both, sir.
And you have done your graduation from BHU.
Yes, sir, IIT BHU.
Tell me some similarity between UP and Haryana.
UP and Haryana, sir, there are similarities in the climate, the agricultural crops that are grown here, as well as in the adjoining areas. There are similarities in culture as well.
On social aspect, tell me some 5 points on the similarity between Haryana and UP.
Social aspects, sir, there is a patriarchal system dominating. Then there are problems of dowry as well, and I think there is a problem of this honor killing and Khaf Panchayat. I think that is.
You have done your graduation from UP East BHU.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking about the UP East, especially not the.
Okay, yes, I get it.
Where you
Yes, sir.
Haryana culture. Now, I am asking about the UP East.
UP East, okay. The similarities, it is again, sir. I see the similarities. These are just that the agricultural crops, as they fall in the northern belt, so the crops are somewhat similar, and I don't see much similarity in other aspects, sir. Because the language, the culture, and the cuisine, they are different.
So, why an engineer want to be police officer?
I think, sir, at the 12th level, I was interested in this mechanical engineering. I was good in mechanics in the 12th. But I think the graduation system is not at par with what it should be. There is more theoretical aspects, and I just could not see my interest developing there.
What is calligraphy?
Calligraphy is a writing competition, handwriting. They see who writes more beautifully, you can say.
You belong from Hisar.
Hisar district, yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about the Hisar.
So Hisar it was a medieval city. It was founded by Firoz Shah Tughlaq, and it is a very well-developing city. It has excellent educational universities, the Guru Jambheshwar University, Haryana Agriculture University, as well as the medical setup is also very fine there. And I think it is a planned city, not as planned at Chandigarh, but the new sectors that are developing, they are quite planned, and the social amenities are very good there.
Recently, Supreme Court of India have given a special status to the Sukna Lake.
Sukna Lake, yes, sir. Sukna Lake is in Chandigarh. Yes, sir.
It's a capital.
Yeah, yes, sir, I know that. Yes, sir, it is a wetland. The Chandigarh admission.
I am asking about what special status has Supreme Court given to the Sukna Lake?
So I am not aware of that. I am aware that the Chandigarh has declared it as a wetland.
Wetland. What's wetland?
So wetland, they are basically the areas that are saturated with water, and the diverse biodiversity that develops there, and they are very important from the ecological point of view to maintain the ecological stability.
Okay, tell me about the Chandigarh.
So Chandigarh, it is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. It is a joint capital of Punjab and Haryana. It is a very planned city, and everything is the administration and everything is up to mark. And
What is up to mark?
I had my UPSC center there, so the traffic was, it was very well regulated.
Tell me how the Lieutenant Governor of Chandigarh is different from the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi.
The Lieutenant Governor of Delhi has he has more powers than the Lieutenant Governor of Chandigarh, because
What terminology can we use for the Lieutenant Governor of Chandigarh? Or he is a Lieutenant Governor, or any other terminology can we use for him?
yes sir. Yes, there is
How
a.
many types of union territories are formed in India on the basis of administration?
So there are there is a National Capital Territory and there is Pondicherry, which are established.
मैंने क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा? मैंने पूछा कि कितने तरह की यूनियन टेरिटरी है इंडिया में एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की बेसिस पे?
2 types, sir.
2 टाइप्स.
Yes, sir.
एक्सप्लेन कीजिए.
The Delhi and Puducherry, they have their own legislature, and the others, they are centrally administered.
Others, Chandigarh is also centrally administered.
Yes, sir.
So, who is the administrator of the Chandigarh?
I am not aware, sir.
अमित,
Yes, sir.
कैसे हैं?
I'm fine, sir.
हैं?
Yes, sir.
मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर आप हैं?
Yes, sir.
प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन और रॉकेट मोशन 2 वर्ड होते हैं, इनमें डिफरेंस क्या होता है?
Projectile and rocket motion. The rocket motion, it basically uses the propulsion system. That is, it fires backwards to project itself in the upward direction. This is the mechanism. Whereas the projectile motion, there is an external impetus that is provided, and the trajectory continues according to the force and the direction that was provided in the beginning. Whereas in the rocket motion, it itself provides the thrust to itself.
What is ferret?
Ferret, sir. FERET.
FERRIT.
I'm not sure.
You are not sure. What is second law of thermodynamics?
So I'm not in touch with mechanical for a long time. So
अच्छा, आप BHU से हैं, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर. अच्छा, BHU को एस्टेब्लिश कब किया गया?
So it was in 1916, sir, by Madan Mohan Malviya.
BHU IIT जहाँ है वहाँ पे एक गेट है, हैदराबाद में.
Hyderabad Gate, yes, sir.
हैदराबाद गेट उसको क्यों कहा जाता है?
Because it was financed by the Nawab of Hyderabad, sir.
बाप का नाम क्या था?
Again, not sure, sir.
श्योर नहीं.
Nice.
अच्छा, BHU मंदिर जो है,
Yes, sir. Kashi Vishwanath Temple, sir.
काशी विश्वनाथ टेम्पल,
Yes, sir.
आप रहे हैं वहाँ पे?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
उसको किसने बनवाया है?
So Birla's built it, sir.
बिरला.
Yes, sir. In the BHU complex, there is a Vishwanath temple, and there is a temple in the city as well.
नहीं नहीं, BHU में.
Yes, sir. That is it was built by the Birlas, sir.
M विश्वेश्वरैया.
Vishwasariya, yes, sir.
अच्छा, आपका यहीं रहा होगा.
Yes, sir. The first year hostel was Vishwasariya, sir.
M विश्वेश्वरैया को क्यों जाना जाता है? बहुत फेमस.
Yes, sir. Vishwasariya, he had contribution in science.
Which type of science?
Yes, sir. I'm not quite sure, sir.
वहाँ पे आपने फर्स्ट ईयर बिताया.
Yes, sir. I had it in mind. I'm just not able to recall it, sir.
Okay. स्विमिंग आपकी हॉबी है.
Yes, sir.
सुधा मिश्रा नाम सुने हैं?
I don't follow swimming at the international. I just, As a hobby, I
Hobby,
participate in it. Yes, मतलब
अच्छा जस्ट अपना मौज मस्ती के लिए
yes sir, yes sir.
फुटबॉल भी खेलते हैं
Football, I played it at the school level. After that, in the college, I could not pursue it. In the college, I pursued Kho-Kho.
अनप्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रेन को आप पढ़ाते हैं
Yes sir.
ठीक सपोज दैट आपको ये नहीं लगता कि आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हैं
Yes.
आपकी हॉबी है बच्चों को पढ़ाना
Yes sir.
फिर आप गोली चलाने फोर्स में जा रहे हैं
Yes sir.
बहुत ज़्यादा बिखराव नहीं हो रहा है
Yes sir, but
हरियाणा में वैकेंसी आने वाली होगी टीचर की सबसे अच्छी जॉब होती है आपके लिए या आप
I don't see. Yes sir. I teach it in part time, and it is for. I don't teach in. I have my family school is there. I don't teach in that school. It is basically those people who cannot afford it, and it is just a social service that I can help the children. And it all began with my college. There was an initiative of Kashi Utkarsh. So from there, I have started in this teaching habit. As you are talking about the scatter, that this is the part and parcel of the job, and it is also quite a necessity for the country, sir. So I think both are equally important.
बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खर्चोगा हमें
Yes sir.
लास्ट में बता दीजिए आप सपोज दैट आपको एसी बना दिया जाता है
Okay sir.
आप एसी बन गए
Yes sir.
ठीक आप कहीं पे जॉब कर रहे हैं सर्विस में
Yes sir.
एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत लड़की है
Okay sir.
जो सिपाही है आपकी सबऑर्डिनेट है
Okay sir.
वो मतलब बहुत खूबसूरत है
Okay,
इतनी
sir.
खूबसूरत कि आपने देखी नहीं
Okay sir.
वो डेट पर ले जाना चाहोगे आप जा रहे हो कि नहीं जा रहे
Sir, that is a private matter, but it should not interfere in the official work that is. It.
मैं सिंपल जानना चाहता हूँ आप जाओगे या नहीं जाओगे
I think I would not go, sir, because it will affect the work culture and the work life. It had, sir.
You young, see young, what's the problem?
Sir, it is.
पर्सनल मैटर भी हो सकता है आप लोगों का
But I think it will have effect on the work culture. So I think it. If she was from outside the work, that would not have impacted the work culture. So I think I would have gone
ये
out.
बहुत खूबसूरत लड़की है
Sir, I think it will have a negative effect on the work culture.
ठीक है अपने राइट हैंड में बांध रखा है धागा
Yes, sir.
क्यों
I think it was my mother's decision. There is a local deity in our village. We worship whom, and recently the Dasara festival is celebrated as the birth date of the local deity. So on that occasion, we tie the thread.
फादर ऑफ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग किसे कहा जाता है फादर ऑफ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग बहुत अच्छा नाम है इसको हर कोई जानता है
Newton.
अच्छा जानता है
Newton.
नहीं। एक बार और आप गेस कर सकते कक्षा 10 से पहले आपने कहानी सुनी
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know that our workshops used to be closed on that day. It was a holiday for the Vishwanath something.
ओके ठीक
अमित
Yes.
क्वेश्चन है सपोज दैट अभी आपकी किसी से शादी होती है शी इज कांस्टेबल इन सीएसएफ
Okay, sir.
उसके बाद कुछ दिनों के बाद आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाता है एज एसी सीएसएफ और जब आपकी पोस्टिंग होती है सेम यूनिट में जहाँ पे वो कांस्टेबल है अब आप उनको सर्विस कंटिन्यू करने दोगे या छोड़ने के लिए बोलोगे
No, I think she should continue with her because why will I ask her to leave if at the same ground she can also ask me to leave if.
Suppose that your juniors like inspector and sub inspector can harsh him or can abuse her सॉरी ही नॉट सॉरी नॉट हिम, मतलब वो आपको परेशान करेंगे, उसे परेशान कर सकते हैं। दिस इज अ सिचुएशन, आप उसको बोलोगे या फिर?
No, sir. I don't think I have control over her professional life, and I should not have control. She has her ambitions, and she should pursue with her job. And I think the matter should be dealt in with informally. Also, it can be dealt. They can be advised that not to indulge in any such activity.
और सपोज दैट कोई इंस्पेक्टर है जो ये जानता है कि वो आपकी वाइफ है, वो आपसे खुन्नस निकालने के लिए उसको परेशान कर रहा है, तो आप अपनी वाइफ को बोलोगे कि जॉब छोड़ने को, या फिर उस इंस्पेक्टर के एक्शन लोगे?
I think the inquiry should be there. If any undue harassment is there, the punishment should be there, sir. Internal mechanism should be used.
Okay, thank you. Your formality is over. We will call you later.
Okay, thank you, sir.